Hi. My name is Nigel. And since 4th of July is coming, I'm going to turn Steven into a firework. Ha 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 ha. Stand back. I'm going to turn you into a firework.
No 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 no. I am now a firework.
Oh my God. Steven. What's wrong? Why are you a firework?
Taylor, Nigel turned me into a firework. Please deal with him for me.
Oh my God. Nigel. How dare you turn my boyfriend Steven into a firework? That's it. I'm calling your parents about this.
Oh my God, Nigel. How dare you turn Steven into a firework? That's it. You are grounded for the rest of this month. And as a punishment, you won't be going to see the 4th of July fireworks with your friends this year.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.